Start.
So today we will do a practical to prepare a temporary mound of onion root tip to study mitosis. Why onion root tip is used? Because the tip of the root contains meristematic cells which undergo mitosis. To study the different stages of mitosis, we will prepare a temporary mound of the onion root tip. First of all, we have to develop the roots. So this is the onion which have these brown roots. So we can cut these roots with the help of this blade. Blade ki hai, so you can cut it some and then put it in water just like that and keep it for 5 to 6 days so they will germinate. They germinate to form the different roots. So once they germinate, what we do is we cut the tips of the few roots and we preserve them in a preservative made up of the acetic acid and alcohol in the ratio of 1:3. So the preservation is to be done for 3 to 4 hours. We have already placed these roots in the preservatives, and so we will start from here. Otherwise, these roots which we have cut from that, you have to put it into the preservatives. Preservative is made up of the acetic acid and ethyl alcohol in the ratio of 1:3. So the preservation has to be done or fixation is to be done for 3 to 4 hours. So after 3 to 4 hours, so we can remove some of the roots using a petri dish. So or a glass plate where some of these roots where they come out. And now we will do the hydrolysis. The hydrolysis of the root is done so that the roots become soft to prepare the temporary mound. For this we use N10 or 0.1 NaHCl solution use करेंगे इसमें. So we will take some of the N10 HCl solution and we will transfer these roots into them. We will warm the roots on a burner flame for some time, making sure that they do not burn नहीं होनी चाहिए. We have to warm them. We have to cause hydrolysis करना है so that the cell will digest for some time and it is easier to make a slide. When the roots become transparent, we will stop this. Hydrolysis is done, warming it and then removing it from the flame for uniform heating. When the roots become uniformly hydrolyzed, they will become transparent. You should keep in mind, you should not warm it very high temperature, otherwise they will dissolve. वो dissolve हो जाएगी. So now, if I see carefully, the roots where they have become transparent. The hydrolysis has taken place. Now I will transfer the roots to a watch glass, and from here I will take a slide, put the root onto a slide. 1 or 2 roots are taken and they are put onto the slide. Now put 1 or 2 drops of acetocarmine for staining. Now we will warm the slide on the flame gently, making sure that it does not dry up. Dry नहीं होना चाहिए. If it tries to dry up, you can again add the acetocarmine. You can put another drop of acetocarmine and then warm it so that it is properly stained. So once proper staining has taken place, you can remove the extra stain with the help of the filter paper. Using the filter paper, the extra stain is removed. Put a drop of water and wash it for some time to remove the extra stain, and then remove the water. You can cut the extra portion of the root with the help of a blade, taking it in the center. Cut this portion, put a drop of water and place a cover slip. With the help of a needle, place the cover slip and press it. Gently. You can also use the filter paper for doing this. Now the slide is ready to see under the microscope. And when you will focus it under the microscope, you will be able to see different stages of the mitosis. As we know, the mitosis takes place through various stages. The first phase is called the prophase, where the DNA starts undergoing condensation. It folds and becomes smaller. So prophase is followed by the metaphase, where the chromosomes are further condensed to form rod-like structures, and they come to lie in the middle to form a single metaphase plate in the plate. And after that, the chromosome will split in the middle, so that half of the chromosome, that is one of the chromatid, moves to one pole, the other chromatid moves to the opposite pole. This phase is called the anaphase. And last May, the telophase, where the half of the chromosomes have moved to the two opposite poles. This leads to the formation of nuclear membrane around the chromosomes to form two nuclei. This is followed by the division of the cytoplasm to complete the cell division. One cell will be divided into two cells.